Hello, my name is Monica. Welcome to the Scrub and Wrap treatment module. These are the archived treatments from our menu. In today's course, we review the theory of the ultimate scrubs and wraps, recap the products in each collection, and we're going to run through the treatment protocol. So what's unique about the scrubs and wraps? So the aromas worked on both physical but mental, emotional level, leaving this guest feeling uplifted, energized, or relaxed. The gels, oils, and cream work more than just the skin. They also absorb into the bloodstream. They are inhaled through the nose, so they work on a deeper physical and emotional level. The skin feels smooth, hydrated, and moisturized. And this is a very effective body treatment for preparation for a holiday or just a pampering experience in the spa. Ayurvedic scalp massage will be performed to leave the guest revived body and mind, but also to balance the systems of the body. So 3 different options for these scrubs and wraps. The Renewing Rose, 60 minutes, which is using our Renewing Rose collection. Intense Nourishment, 60 minutes, which uses a mixture of products, but mainly our Nourishing collection. And the Bespoke Skin Polish, which is a 30 minutes. That's where you can use any products, depending on the skin needs. Bespoke Skin Polish, it can be done as a standalone treatment or as an add-on before a massage or a facial, and it's great to use it in a package to elevate the guest experience. So the Renewing Rose treatment. So this is an intensive hydrating treatment that includes a layering of rich rose serums, oils, and creams, leaving your body radiant and soft, smooth, and your spirits bright and uplifted. It is a body treatment, so it can be done weekly or often as required. Can be performed during pregnancy, but just with small adaptation, like the stretches should not be performed. This protocol can be used as part of the pregnancy treatments called Ultimate Rose Post-Pregnancy Skin Nourishment, which is an archived treatment that we used to do. So this protocol is exactly the same. Key ingredients in the whole collection, it is your rose, geranium, and evening primrose. For more details on the rose collection, visit our module 13. But the rose here is important for uplifting the mood. It is good also for skin regeneration. Geranium is more balancing, but also help with circulation, so leaving the skin radiant. And evening primrose, it keeps the skin healthy and the membrane, and very nourishing and conditioning for the skin. And these are the key ingredients throughout the collection. So the first step into your scrub and wrap, it is your exfoliator products. So you have 2 options. We have the rose wash, or you have the aromatherapy body wash. You can add 20 pumps of your wash into a bowl and a cupful of your exfoliating grains. So your exfoliating grains are very fine and delicate, which is suitable for all skins. And a cupful of that scrub is enough to do a full body exfoliation. Because you're using a wash, you need water to emulsify that product. And as it becomes dry, more water can be added to prolong the exfoliation. The grains are finely grounded olive pits, which is amazing for polishing the skin. In our second step, it is our wrap. So in our wrap, we're going to envelop the guest with the rose gels, oils, and creams. This is going to work on all the different layers of the skin, deeply conditioning and all of the dry areas, but at the same time with the rose and geranium essential oils, an uplifting experience for the guest. And the last step would be the scalp massage. So the scalp massage, we're going to use frankincense. It's a dry scalp massage, but we want to elevate the experience. So 1 to 2 drops of frankincense onto a tissue, lay it on the guest décolleté, and then you can do an Ayurvedic scalp massage with no oil. The intensive skin treatment oil, this is our face oil from anti-aging collection. It is amazing for skin regeneration and really replenishment for dry areas. So you're going to add a little bit of the intensive skin treatment oil to the cuticles of the hands and cuticles of the feet and the heels, really dry areas before you wrap up the guests. The next treatment, it is our intense nourishment. So the intense nourishment, it is a deep intensive treatment for dry, devitalized skin, leaves the whole body nourished and smooth. Includes the scrub followed by a layering of, again, the gels, oils and creams. And this treatment, as it is very nourishing and conditioning, it can be done once a week or as often as required, depending on skin needs. It is still recommended during pregnancy, but is not recommended for those with sensitive or broken skin. If during pregnancy, again, some adaptations are going to have to be done, like the stretches, but product adaptation, it is your de-stress muscle gel. It needs to be replaced with the rose body gel for pregnant ladies. In the collection, we have a mixture of products, but mainly is our salt, sweet almond and ylang-ylang, our key ingredients. So the first step into our intense nourishment, it is our polishing exfoliating scrub, and this is the sea salt and coffee exfoliator. It is a very intensive, nourishing exfoliator that's why it's not suitable for a broken, sensitive skin. It can be done on its own. It doesn't need any water added to it. However, there is another option that you can use, which is your exfoliating grains and your body wash. So again, your 20 pumps of your wash with your cupful of your grains, and that's a good replacement if you no longer have your purifying exfoliator. For your layering, we do have the muscle gel. Remember, the muscle gel will be replaced by rose gel if the guest is pregnant. And then the enriched body oil with the enriched body butter. So the enriched products, they had some changes. So now the enriched body oil is called Support Nourishing. It's exactly the same product. It's rich in almond oil and macadamia, so it's very obviously nourishing and conditioning. Not suitable for someone with a nut allergy. And the macadamia and the body butter, it can obviously be replaced by the body lotion. So if you no longer have your body butter, replace that layering product with the aromatherapy lotion. And again, the frankincense for the scalp massage is our Ayurvedic scalp massage, and you still do the treatment for the cuticles and dry areas with your intensive skin treatment oil. So how to give a scrub and wrap? So the first step is an exfoliation and removal. So if the spa has a shower room, you're going to do a full body exfoliation, back of the body, front of the body, and then the guest showers. But for some reason, if you don't have a shower in your room and you still want to do a scrub and wrap, you can still perform it. And this is how you can do it. So you're going to exfoliate the front and the back of each leg. So the guest lies down facing up, and you exfoliate the leg. And you remove the exfoliator with the mitts as you are finishing each area. So important thing is to have your wet, hot mitts ready to remove your exfoliator, but a pair of dry mitts to buff any remaining of the granules. So once you do the back of the leg, the front of the leg, you do your abdomen. Again, removing your exfoliator and buffing off as you're going along. And then you do the arms, you do the arm and the décolleté, you remove it. And then to do the back, you're going to sit up your guests, you're going to exfoliate the back, remove and dry buff. So then the guest can lie down, back down. You just have to remove the layer of that top layer that contains all of the exfoliating granules, and that would be your exfoliation 20 minutes. However, if you do have a shower, you do your normal exfoliation. Back of the body, front of the body, shower, and come back for your application of product. So for the application of your product, you have your gels, your oils, and your creams, and you're going to envelop the guest in a 10 minutes wrap. So the guest, it is face up. So it's facing up in that position. You're going to, again, starting on the back. So if the guest, it is up, so they don't need to move much. The guest is sitting up. You apply the gel, oil, cream to the back. The guest lies down, and then you go down the arms, you go down the abdomen, you go down the legs, and you do the front of the leg, the back of the leg, and then you apply your intensive skin treatment oil to the cuticles of the hands and cuticles of the feet. You enveloped your guests, and then in that time you start your Ayurvedic scalp massage with our frankincense on a tissue under the décolleté. So if the guest doesn't want any oil in their hair, if they do want the oil in their hair, we recommend you to use a nourishing body oil to support nourishing, a small amount, half a pump, apply through the hair ends. But a dry scalp massage with frankincense is highly recommended to enhance their sense of well-being. Once your Ayurvedic scalp massage is done, you're going to unwrap the guest, removing all of the layers of wrapping, effleuraging the body to make sure there's no lumps of product they didn't absorb, and then finishing off your treatment with the stretches. This is stretches over the towel, and you start with your stretches on your legs, and you do stretches then on your arms, and then you do stretches on your neck and shoulders, and you finish with sitting up the guest and stretching the whole of the back, and that would be the end of the treatment. So the guest is sitting up as you finish. So with the consultation, it's very important here with the term what any allergies, because if we are doing the intense nourishment, if there's any nut allergies or there's any sensitivity, we need to adapt our treatment. Even though they booked an intense nourishment, we need to do adaptations, and maybe a different treatment is more recommended if they have a nut allergy. You need to check their main concern and the reason for them to book this treatment. It could be because they are on holidays or they just want a nice pampering experience. And remembering always to offer solutions with products and ingredients to benefits, to really link to what the guest came in for. And explain what's involved in the treatment, especially the stages of removing the scrub, going into the shower, envelopment, scalp massage. And most people coming for a full body exfoliation would not don't have the same needs. So some people, they may want to have the bust exfoliated. So it's important to check if they do like that part incorporated in their treatment. The scrub and wrap tree treatment, so they have the rose and the intense nourishment. They are the same treatments, but just using different products. So the full body exfoliation, again, if you are showering, just do the whole body and then shower. If you are meeting off, just do it by area. Intensive skin treatment oil to the cuticles, and then the envelopment of your gels, oils, and creams. Scalp massage, and then the stretches at the end over the towel. So the bespoke skin polish, it is obviously you can choose and you can pick whatever products are more suitable. So you can mix both collections depending on the skin needs. It is a full body exfoliation in those 20 minutes and removal, and just application of a body cream. There is no envelopment, there is no massage, it's just a final application of your chosen cream or lotion. So for renewing rose is for those that require a very nurturing, pampering treatment with dried, vitalized skin. Typical guest for the intense nourishment for those with that require a serious skin treatment, that spend a lot of time outdoors and their skin is dry. And the bespoke skin polish is great for improving skin tone and texture. It is great for those with the dry skin, pre and post holiday. And all of the three are suitable for pregnancy and breastfeeding mothers. However, a few adaptations like the stretches are not performed. The treatment, post-treatment consultation at the end, making sure that we finish our treatment by allowing the guest to understand the benefits of keeping the products onto the skin, to avoid doing anything that's too going to heat, like going to the pool and going sunbathing, making sure that we are following up with product recommendations to maintain the benefits of the treatments, and perhaps a future treatment recommendation. We notice a lot of tension in the shoulders as we are applying the products. Why not book in for a body massage? So this is our scrub and wrap treatment module. If you still have more questions, please visit the individual module for the products, Rose Collection, the new sessions we are hosting on social media, on live. Ask the expert. You can come on those and ask any questions you still have. Until then, thank you.